was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly.
Made Chevy boy, man, we out here this morning, man. What it do? Man, that's crazy. I got the alarm straightened out, or in other words, I gotta see if it's straightened out, man. On Penny, you know, the remote start cranking up on the first time. The homie said, checked it out for me the other day. That's who straightened out the alarm on Cayenne. So I got it done Saturday, man. Today is Monday. That tell you how I just be doing stuff and forgetting about stuff, man. But we finna see if it's gonna crank up on the first crank, man. Hey, man. Shout out to Said, man. Shout out to Said. Said got me right, man. That junk been sitting since Saturday, man. When I parked it Saturday evening, it been sitting. It's Monday morning. That's a cold start for you right there. Yes, sir. That's a cold start for you, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. What it do, man? 7-8 Chevy boy. We out here today. About to getting my day started. Already been to the gym, man. Now I got a couple errands to run. First thing first, got to run down here to the storage, get some stuff out of storage, take it to the house. As soon as I get to the house, I gotta leave the truck running, man. Drop that stuff off, keep going, because I got an appointment to get Zeus oil changed at 12 o'clock, and it's already 11:06. It take me 30 minutes to get there, so I got to do all this in a timely manner, man. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek when we get down here, man. Give y'all a sneak peek of the old Cutlass, man. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. I only be able to see it here on YouTube. Man. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. As far as the canvas I got to work with, we're gonna start it. We're gonna start with the breaking it down, man. I'm gonna go get it one of these weekends, man. Start breaking it down, stripping the whole interior out, see what we're working with. I know I got to replace the floor and trunk pans. We got to do that for sure. Then once I do that, we're gonna assess. We're gonna let Janky assess the what all I really need. Don't know if I need I don't know what they call it, rocker panels or whatever. We gonna see though, man. 7-8 Chevy boy, we'll be down there in a minute. All right. Yeah, man. They go to Cuddy. They go them Ruchis. Man. Hey, they trying to lowball me, man. I got them for sale. Now they trying to lowball me, man. Ruchis, steering wheel in there, man, in that box. But yeah, this the Cuddy, man. This the Cuddy. Like I said, everything there. All the trim, the bezels. Even though I might end up buying some of that stuff new. Even this piece right here is in the trunk. That's in the trunk. I know one piece missing. Yeah, I think the chrome that goes right here is missing. And the chrome right here. That's the only thing, man. Everything else, you know, you got an emblem right there. But everything else is there, man. It's there. Like full interior. I ain't even cleaned it out, man. Still got the leaves in it. But full interior. Y'all see, man, we're gonna bring this junk back. Full interior. Everything there. See what I'm saying? Everything there, man. You know, of course, gonna have to rebuy some stuff brand new. But the base is there, man. I'm probably gonna keep. I ain't got no tilt steering wheel. I ain't even sat in it to see how much room I got. But if they sell a tilt column, you know, I'm a big dog, man. I'm gonna have to end up putting a tilt column on there. But like right here, like the top and stuff, I know I'm gonna have to redo that. Like, look, all this stuff just trash, man. Whatever that is, still in there. So for the one that doubt me or think I'm lying or whatever, I don't care nothing about y'all, man. I don't care nothing about y'all, but y'all see me, man. I got my hands on that thing, man. My hands on it. Yes, sir. Oh, got to be more careful. Yep, them are rally wheels right there that's on there. That came off of here. I actually put three of my Chevy wheels on there. Yep, same boat pattern, small boat pattern as a Chevy. My valve cover, my Camaro valve covers. But yeah, man, I gotta get up out of here. Want y'all to see the cutty, and we finna get up out of here, man. Somebody want these Ruchis? Hit me up, man. Hit me up. Lowest price, man. I got them priced for $4,500, man, but the lowest price is $4,000. I'll take $4,000. I'll take, man. That's it. That's the lowest price I'm gonna take, man. 78 Chevy, boy. All right.
Show y'all went to?
Up in Nashville. Yeah, I don't know if you ever heard of C10 Nationals.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went up there. Okay. It was my third year going. I hear a lot of people been going to cruising the coast. It's actually, the last day was yesterday.
I know. We were going to go, man, my buddy, he's on vacation this week.
Yeah.
Last year, man, we had all these people dropping their trucks off while they were going to cruising the coast, and I was like, ain't this a bitch? We're over here working. You know, I never take a day off.
Yeah. You ever been down before?
No.
I ain't never been either.
We were talking about going.
Yeah. Back at the house. Back at the house, man. It's just like that, man. Got the oil change. I done been back to the house, man. Me and Paris went and washed her car, filled her car with gas and stuff. But everything, man. That was my guy Todd you saw. And around Memphis, I know everybody don't know him, but a lot of people know him, man. Named Todd from down in Mississippi, man. One of the best diesel mechanics around, bro. And once my boy Jonas hooked me up with him, man. I've been rocking with Todd since I got my truck. That's the only person that has touched my truck. New fuel pump when I first got it, starter, transmission pan, gasket. He do my oil changes, my fuel filter changes, man. What else he do? He didn't do my airbags. I took it down there to the camper place. Same people that put my bed liner in Cayenne. Them the ones who put my airbags on here, but he did my 2.5-inch lift in the front. Todd did that. Really, man, I'm rocking with him until God say something different. You know what I'm saying? Good guy, honest guy, and he got good quality, man. He got good quality. You got to get in where you fit in. He have a tight schedule. He have a a lot of work, but you map it out, get in where you fit in. And you gotta pay. You gotta pay for good quality. That's what I'm gonna say about that. You gotta pay for good quality, man. And he looked over my truck when I first got it, told me what he suggested, which was like the fuel pump. I chose to delete it. But he looked over. He said, "Man, you got a good truck, man." He looked over it. I sent everybody I know to him. Taurus that I showed y'all when we went to CTN National had just got we met at the gas station with Chris, just got the F350 dually. Man, Todd looked over that for him. I sent him down there, man, and told him he got a good truck. So I try to stick with the same mechanic, man, because I don't want different people bouncing around working with my truck. So I got 2 more things that I'm gonna upgrade. It's actually gonna be upgrades on my truck. Nothing fancy, no rims, nothing like that. But it's 2 things Todd finna do. Matter of fact, they don't need me. It ain't no secret. I'm gonna put some cab bushings, some upgraded cab bushings on there, and I'm gonna upgrade to that bigger tank, man. I think I got a 26 gallon on there now. I'm gonna go up to, I think he said it's a 40 gallon or something. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna pull it up. Pull it up in my text log. It should still be in there. Cause I don't delete nothing, man. I keep them receipts. And then I don't know if we talked about it. I don't know if we talked about it and he told me a price. Okay. He said they don't make the they don't make the 40s, they don't make the 40 gallon no more. He can get a 56 gallon S&B installed, and that includes the recalibrate for the fuel gauge. And that ain't a bad price. I'm gonna have 56 gallons, man. So 26 on there now. So 26 times 2, that's 52. So I'm gonna have double. I'm gonna have over double the amount of what I got now. So it takes like now with what gas is now, it take about, I get down to a 4th because I fill my truck up. I don't go under a 4th the tank. Never have since I got my truck. From a 4th, it'll take about $75 to fill up. So if I can get double that, fill up 56 gallons, man, for I'm gonna say $150, and it's gonna last me though. It's gonna last me over double the range that I'm already getting. Hey, man, cause we'll be on that slab, man. Got to do that stopping 26 gallon when I'm towing. Hey, that go kind of quick, man. That go kind of quick. I ain't gonna lie. Like leaving here going to Atlanta towing. By the time I get to Leeds, which is Buc-ee's, which is like 3 hours away, bro, my junk, it's time to fuel up. It's time to fuel up. I don't need to go no further than Buc-ee's. Put it like that. So I'm looking forward to that. That's my next 2 things I'm gonna do to Big Zeus, man. Put them cab bushings, cause my 2 back cab bushings, man, they riding. So while I get in there and be already on the clock with them, might as well get both of them done at the same time. Cab bushing, new fuel tank, man. 78 Chevy boy, y'all holler at me. We up out of here, man. I'm finna go get ready for this live tonight. Excuse me, get ready for this live tonight. And I'll see y'all on that video, man. Stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way. Connect and never compete. It's a movement, not a moment. All right.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in